Sunday morning in Quartzsite. Today is the 24th, I believe, and starting to get a few new people in town. Restaurants are opening up. Of course, that one's never going to open up, I don't think. It's been shut down for years. But let's roll by the trailer park. The trailer for sale park, excuse me. Ooh, we got a motorhome. It's been empty all summer. They're getting ready to go. Stagecoach is now open. We got a little traffic in town. And now how we judge how busy the town is, how many people are at the dollar store this morning. Ooh, we got a crowd. So we got 4 vehicles in there. Town's picking up. Dust storm in the horizon. Bird. It won't be long. There'll be tons of people around here. It goes from Ghost Town to Boomtown. Yeah, there. That's the word I was looking for. Ooh, this trailer park's starting to fill up. As we are riding to our secret destination. Y'all will see beautiful cactuses. Alright. Out here that looks just like this. It is a golf course. Welcome to the desert. Welcome to a walk in Quartzsite. Today we take you into the hills and about everywhere else. This is an old mine. Maybe somebody made his fortune here. Maybe he went broke. We'll never know. Danger, abandoned mine. You might look like that if you try to go in it. And for all you Spanish speaking friends, you can read it. There we go, we got a Spanish speaking friend with us. Stay out, stay alive. When you come out here, Dad. It's really good, you can hear anything. Hold on, we'll show you why. If these fences weren't here, it would be very dangerous out here at night. If you fell in that, you would be hurt. Throw one more rock, we got it focused in now. Ow! My leg is broken and I can't get out home. I can't get up. That might be you. So, thank God they got these little fences up so children will not fall in love. want to show you Rock Mania. Bunch of rocks. You had to look quick though. Somebody's driving very fast. Well, we're getting back into the woodside. See, the big boys are coming back in town. There's a big RV. Desert Garden looks like it's got a few more RVs than last week. Remember, there was none. So we'll see if we can see any RVs running around town or at the Pilot. Ooh, looks like we got a traffic jam at the red light. There's more than one car. What's the name of that place over there? There's nobody in that. Oh, I can't remember the name of the fairground, the showground. Show place or something, I don't know. But there's the old welcome to Quartzsite sign. More RVs arriving for the winter. Yeah, that one's for sale. Oh, there's another one. The RVs are arriving. There's the truck stop. Well, that's it for this episode of Quartzsite before the snowbirds. Y'all have a great day and see you soon.